guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for this MD Complete little clear, calm, healthy skin set. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what I received in the package. I'm actually working with the brand. They aren't paying me or anything. They were just nice enough to send me this kit for free to try out and do a review for you guys. I'm going to do 3 separate videos in this kind of series. I'm going to do one where I unbox it, one where I show you the products and how I use them, and then one final review in probably like 2 weeks where I show you the difference in my skin and everything. So I will start out in this one by showing what my skin looks like now. It's kind of clear right now, but I have like a lot of acne scars, and then I do get a lot of little spots down here and on my cheeks. I've been breaking out right through here lately, like just in this little area here and like right between my eyebrows. So yeah, that's how my skin is at the start, and I will take a picture and do it before and after on Instagram if you guys want to see that as well. But yeah, they aren't paying me to do this. They were just nice enough to send me the products, and I will be doing reviews for them. So yeah, when you first get the products, it comes in a little box like this. And this is what it looks like. Then you open it, and it's got some papers, and then the products. So I did already open this because I had to take the little packing slip out because it had my address on it. So I didn't want to show that. But yeah, it comes with this little like pamphlet here that shows like how to use everything and stuff like that. So it's a 3-step thing, I think. Yeah, it's a 3-step thing, and then it's got a plus thing as well. So the first thing is the cleanser. So this is the MD Complete Skin Clearing Clarifying Cleanser with Natural Botanicals, and it helps eliminate breakouts, helps prevent breakouts, and removes makeup. So this is step 1 for the PM, and I will open it and just show you the bottle. So this is the bottle here. And you can use it in the morning, but like if you have oily skin, it's recommended for both, but if you don't, it's recommended just for the PM. Alright, and then the second part is the clearing part, and this is the breakout treatment, and it helps eliminate breakouts, prevent breakouts, and nourish the skin. So this is what the packaging looks like. I really like the little like kind of charcoal color of the packaging with the green. I think they go really nice together. And I can't get this one open. There we go. And this is for AM and PM. And I will go into more details about each step when I do the kind of walkthrough of how I use them and everything. So this is what it looks like. And then the third step is the Citrus C Healthy Complexion, Retinol, and Vitamin C. And it evens tone, repairs texture, and calms and hydrates. And this is for both AM and PM as well. And the bottle pretty much looks the same as step 2. And then the little bonus thing, I got 5 of these. This is a healthy skin probiotic, which you mix, I think you mix it with water, and you can use it morning or night. And it has like a stress meter of how much you should use these. So I have very high stress, So it says I should use it daily on a continuous basis. But if you have medium stress, you should use it every other day. And if you have low stress, you should use it daily for 5 days. So, yeah. But pretty much it's just a little mix that you take. Is my camera going to focus? There we go. And yeah, so I got 5 of those. And yeah, so that's it for this part of the series. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're excited to see the like transformation and everything through trying these products, let me know. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave those down below. And I think that's it. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.